Hello everyone and welcome back to Destin Learning. Reading and writing text files is a basic operation in any computer programming language. In this video, we're going to look at the details of how you can read and write text files in Python. Let's go ahead and take a look at the details. In Python, file handling is crucial for tasks like logging and data processing. Text files store data in a readable format. This guide covers basic methods for reading and writing text files with clear examples. To read a text file in Python, use the append function. Common modes include R for reading, W for writing, and A for appending, and R+ for reading and writing. To read a text file in Python, use the built-in append function. There are various methods available on the file object and most common modes for opening a file. In Python, there are three primary file modes: R for read, write, W, and append, A. Read mode is the default, write mode overwrites an existing file, and append mode adds content to the end of files. In this code, we use the with statement to open a file, which ensures it is automatically closed when done. The read method is used to retrieve the entire content of the file. To process a file line by line, use a loop. Open the file, read each line in a loop, perform operations, and then close the file at the end. In Python, you can use readline to read a single line from a file, or read lines to read all lines into a list. To add content to an existing file without overwriting it, use the A mode for append. In summary, reading and writing text files in Python is simple with the append function. You can read entire files, process them line by line, or append data. Mastering these techniques is crucial for data handling in Python projects. Well, that's all for this video. I hope it's given you a good start on writing Python programs to read and write files. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. Well, thanks again, and I'll see you in another video soon. Bye-bye.